In this video, we will make our bot modular and more organized. So let's start by creating a new folder inside of the search bot folder named source for src. And inside of it, we will create another folder named commands. And this is where we will store our command handlers. So inside of it, we will create a new file named start.js for our start command. Then from the bot.js file, we will cut this and paste it inside of the start.js file. At the top, let's also type modules.exports equal to a function, and this function, inside of it, we will put our start command. Now back in bot.js, we will also create a new folder inside of the source folder, and we will name it inline handlers. Next, we will create a new file inside of it named start.js as well. So from bot.js, we'll copy the start inline query handler and we will paste it inside of the start.js file that we have just created. Similarly, we will type module.exports at the top. We will create a new function with a bot inside of it, and we will paste the inline query handler inside of the function. Inside of the inline handler folder, we will also create a new file named image.js. From the bot.js folder, we will cut the inline query handler for the pixabay image search, and we will paste it inside of the image.js file. At the top, we will type module.exports, and we will create a new function with the bot parameter, and we will paste the inline query handler inside of the function. And lastly, inside of the inline handlers folder, we'll create a new file named wiki.js. From the bot.js file, we'll cut the inline query handler for the wiki search and paste it inside of the wiki.js file. At the top, we will type module.exports equals to a new function with the bot parameter, and we will paste the inline query handler inside of it. You can save the file. Now back in bot.js. So now we want to import those files that we have created back into bot.js. So let's start with the start command. Type const start command require src commands start, and it doesn't require us to type the .js at the end. Now we can use the start command and include the bot instance inside of it. We do the same for the inline handlers. So we'll type const image handler require inline handlers followed by image. So we'll call the image handler and we'll include the bot instance. Same with the wiki search handler. So source, inline handlers, and wiki. Include the instance inside of it. And finally, we have the start handler. Source, inline handlers, and start. Include the bot instance inside of it as well. Now we can save the bot. Make sure that the bot is restarted. We head over to Telegram. We can call the start command, and you can see the bot works normally. Following this structure allows us to make our code modular. So let's say we don't want to use a specific handler or code, we can just comment them out. Or if we want to prioritize a handler over another, we can bring it to the top easily.